Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to use transform selection. I will open this example image and then I will select with this rectangular marker tools. So I will select like from this point into here. Now if you want to transform this selection, you can right click and then choose transform selection. After it, we can move by using at this point into another area, or you can use wrap tools. Click at this icon and I will click from this point into here, so it's very easy for you to transform the objects like this again into here. And in the bottom you also can edit like from this point. We click again from this point into here, and then we can move at this point, move again into this point. If you're done, you can click OK. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to transform selection. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.